Hi kids, ready to get back to practicing counting? Today you have this beautiful picture here and you can tell these kids are at the beach and there's lots of different objects for you to count. We have birds, clouds, dolphins, we have children, sailboats, a sun, and castles. How many castles? I'm gonna count one. Yeah, there's just one. Your job is to go ahead and look at this picture and count different things. I think I would like to count these starfish. Some of you might not need to count it because when you look at those starfish, your brain tells you two. I'm going to count to make sure. 1, 2. There are two. And I'm going to write the number 2 by those starfish. So I want you guys to have fun. Maybe one of you could pick something for me to count. Oh, wait a sec. Mr. Snyder felt someone out there thinking I should count these children. I'm going to draw a circle around all of these kids. Now I'm going to use counting to find out how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 of them are in the water. 5. Mr. Snyder found 5 children playing on the beach. You need to be careful. Sometimes when I count, I put pencil marks on the pictures I count. That way I can remember which ones I already counted. How about this? I'll try it with these dolphins. They're all jumping up in the air. I notice there's 2 large dolphins, 2 smaller ones. Here I go. I'm gonna go 1, I put a mark on it, 2, 3, 4. Yep, I got them all. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 4. So have fun. Ask Mom and Dad to sit with you and you do some counting. Writing the numbers next to the group is great practice. I'm gonna count how many suns there are. You guys show me with your fast fingers. Did you just show me 1? I will put the number 1 on the sun. There was 1 sun, okay? Now, on the back of this paper is another counting project. It looks a lot like Mr. Snyder's table here. I have different things I can count. I'm gonna count these. 1, 2. The last number I said was 2. There are 2 here. Does this one have 2? 1, 2, 3. Somewhere there's another one with 2. I'll try this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. No? 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. I'm going to use my wiki sticks to draw a line, and I'm going to match this group here and that group. This group has 2. This group has 2. That is a match. Help me count these dice. I'll let you guys count them as I touch them. Ready? Did you say 4? Yep, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. Do you see another group that has 4? Wait, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's a match. The blue bunnies, there are 4. The green dice, there are 4. Those both groups have 4, and I drew a line to match those 2. Now, I could just put a line here, but I want to check first. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That is a match. I found the matches. That's exactly your project on the back of this paper. Ready? Look at the back of this paper. There's the little sand shovels above and the buckets below. You need to find where these shovels go. Find the match. There's 2 here. If I put these 2 right here, 1, 2, 3, 4. No. Wait. 1, 2, 1, 2. I'm gonna draw a line to make a match. I could draw a line here, but if I put this shovel here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, what do you guys see right here? So your job is find where you should put the shovel. The buckets has to have the same number. 1 shovel, 1 bucket. Now, I already did that one. I already did that one. Count these for me. I think I heard some of you say 4. Count this for me. Did you find a match there? When I was counting, I counted 4 red buckets. I counted 4 blue shovels. Take your time. Be careful. I'm gonna draw a line across my paper and make a match. You guys have fun today. Do me a favor. I know you're at home. It's really important that you always practice writing your name. You can get your name tag out, and if you already know how to write your name, still look at it. Try to match it. When I was little, my mom taught me to write my first name, Alan, with all capital letters. But then when I started school, my teacher showed me that I just have a capital at the start and then lowercase letters. And that is how my teacher taught me. You guys have fun today. Practice counting and practice matching groups. If it has 2, the other group has to have 2. See you, kids. I'm gonna look at you. See you guys. See you again later at math.